Big Herc 916, Positivity Motivation at Barrett Jackson, checking out some of the cars here behind the scenes. Out here with the homie Matt Hunt. He's got a Bronco, the 72 that I posted, that's going to be going up for auction on the 29th. So we're going to take a little behind the scenes and check out what's going to be going down at the auction, Barrett Jackson, Scottsdale 2022. They got some last minute details they're doing to the Bronco over here, wiping it down, getting it ready. Not sure what it's gonna go for, but it should bring some good coin. This bad boy's clean. Got a clean GMC sitting on Air Ride 63 custom cab. It's a clean baby for you truck guys out there. I like the way they did the bumpers on this thing. 59 Corvette, pretty color combination. I've always liked when they have this almost like a blue with a white.
That thing's amazing.
Beautiful. Man, it's a clean white. Oh, beautiful, beautiful color. Look at that interior. Beautiful car. Look at the lines on this. Man. One of my dream cars. Another one of my favorites right here. 60, what is this, 7? Man. Monster. If you know anything about Corvettes, you know about this car. Beautiful color combination too. Right stance. Man, this thing is looking right. Look like they flared it out a little bit in the back too. Bumper delete. It's clean how they did this paint on this car, you guys. Look at the 60. The 65 is badass. Clean. Interior thing is just enough. It's not over the top, but it's classy. Oh my God, it's 59 Corvette, you guys. Look at this bad boy. Woo! Man. Clean. You got the bread. Come over here and spend it at Barrett Jackson's. Look at the stance on this Charger, you guys. This thing is squatting. Can you say squatting? God. This is another car on my bucket list that I will have one day. Check out the interior in this bad boy. Wow. Sick ass Charger. Got a clean 1961 bubble top for you guys. LS7 conversion. Really clean engine bay. And it's got the right stance on it. Old school, look like Krager wheels. And they kept the interior with the classic look. Kind of looked like it came out of the factory with the shifter on the console. Now this is an over-the-top 1967 Chevelle twin. Looks like turbo. Actually, it's Pro Charge. My bad. Clean. Blacked out chrome. Custom interior. So I'm gonna show you guys the trunk. The system in this car Looks like it's about that business. And then you have the rear valance. And then you come around here, you have the exhaust coming out the side, and then a 6 stance with the wheels. My God. And it doesn't stop with the interior. Interior is just like all modern. This is something you can see in a newer car with the Holley gauges and the Holley, must be running probably the Holley Terminator setup. So you have this plane right here, 600,000 to $1 million, depending on what your specs are. You got that cheese, man. You got somewhere to be. Pick you up a Cirrus plane, and you ain't got to worry about sitting in all these in a regular class or first class with somebody farting. Ring Brothers Pantera. This car is nasty. Look at this thing. Wow. Sick. They did a hell of a job on this car. Maybelline 58 Lincoln Continental. 58. Clean Lincoln. This right here is gangster. Man, twin supercharged. This is one of the floor areas at Barrett Jackson. I'm not sure if they run vehicles through here also for the auction, but you can see there's a lot of cars down here. And I'm gonna actually walk down there in a minute so you guys can check out what they have. I came up on this Nova. It's got a cool little paint scheme on it. Look like it's had some body work done. It's got a built-in spoiler that they kind of molded on the back. Interior look like they did a little bit of work inside. Customized them. Custom gauges, touch screens, pretty clean.
If you put it too close, so it's like, I think I just don't like the car.
65 Ford Falcon, you guys. Never seen one like this. It's got a nice, clean look to it with the chrome painted to look like it's more of a gunmetal. And they added the rear valance. And they added the, you see they got a spoiler in the back. The trunk was down, you can see a spoiler, right? Duck wheel. Nice offset, it's got a narrowed rear end, duck bill, and it's got, looks like a body kit on the bottom. Clean. You wouldn't think of a Ford Falcon looking like this. Pretty badass. Let me know what you guys think. Oh my God, you guys. The Ken Diggett Pantera. Man, I just watched this on Motor Trend. Look at this thing in person. My God. Work of art, man. And you can't even tell it's been stretched 4 inches. Oh my God. The sickest Pantera ever. Did you see when they did this on Motor Trend?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I just watched it. Ridiculous, man. And it doesn't even look like it's been stretched. Man, this car is beautiful. Look at that motor back there. Ridiculous. Look at this, you guys. Ridiculous. Work of art. Don't forget to stop by the Big Herc 916 store and pick you up a beanie, or maybe a sticker for your car, or a sticker for your laptop, or read one of the many books that I've authored. You know how we do it over here. Big Herc 916. Hello, I'm Big Herc 916. Contact me for life coaching and motivational speaking.